Understanding Hairline Fracture, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a medical term that you might come across in English conversations or readings: hairline fracture. Understanding this phrase not only expands your vocabulary but also helps you in comprehending medical contexts in English. Let's dive in. A hairline fracture, also known as a stress fracture, is a small crack or severe bruise within a bone. The term hairline suggests that the fracture is very thin and fine, much like a strand of hair. This type of fracture is often caused by repetitive activities or overuse, such as running or jumping. But it can also result from normal use of a bone that's weakened by a condition like osteoporosis. Understanding how to use hairline fracture in a sentence is crucial. Here are some examples. The X-ray showed a hairline fracture in her ankle. Due to the hairline fracture in his wrist, he couldn't participate in the tennis tournament. The doctor advised rest to heal the hairline fracture in her foot. It's important to distinguish a hairline fracture from other types of fractures. Complete fracture. The bone snaps into two or more parts. Compound fracture. The broken bone pierces through the skin. Hairline fracture. A tiny crack in the bone, often hard to detect on X-rays. Symptoms of a hairline fracture include pain that worsens over time, swelling, and tenderness. Treatment usually involves rest, ice, compression, and elevation, rice. In some cases, a cast or brace might be needed to immobilize the affected area. As English learners, encountering medical terms like hairline fracture can be challenging. However, understanding them enhances your ability to comprehend a wide range of English texts and conversations, especially in medical or health-related contexts. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of hairline fracture in English. Remember, expanding your vocabulary, particularly with specific terms like this, can significantly improve your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.